Hey, what is up everybody, welcome to another video, and today in this video I am going to tell you how to install VS Code and set up it for programming. Let's see how to do that. First of all, I will show you how to download and install VS Code in Linux. As you can see, this is the official site of VS Code. You can check out the link in the description. Now you have to download the .deb file of VS Code to install it. You have to wait here for some seconds. Wait for it to finish. After the completion, go to the location where the file is saved. In my case, it is here. Now you have to copy the file name. Let's open the terminal. Type the following command to install it. You have to enter your password here. After that, it will be installed. Since I have already installed VS Code, so I will not install it again. Now I will show you how to set up VS Code for programming. So let's open it. So here is the home page of the VS Code. Go to the extensions and search any programming language you want to practice, like C, C++, Python, JavaScript, and you have to click install here. I have already installed it, but this is not enough to practice programming in VS Code. After this, your code will be highlighted in VS Code text editor. But if you want to practice or run the program, you have to install any compiler for C, C++, compiler for Java, and so. Since it is Linux gives a compiler with it. But if you are a Windows user, you have to install a compiler for C, C++ or Java. If you want to know how to install a compiler in Windows, you can go to the link in the description. I have already explained it in the previous video. And now let's see how to download and install VS Code for Windows. Click on the download button for Windows x64. Now wait for it for some seconds. It is getting downloaded. The exe file is getting downloaded. Wait for it to finish, and it's so simple. After that, go to the file manager of Windows and double click on the exe file you have downloaded and just click on next and things will be done. After installation, you can follow the same process for downloading the extension and it will be good to go. So that's all. If you guys face any issues in the process, feel free to say it in the comment section. If you like the video, please like the video and do share it with your friends who are new to programming. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. More videos will be coming in the future.